Do you know the sun, the cloud, and the rain are actually teachers? They don't talk, but they teach us something very important. Let's find out their secret. The sun wakes up every day. It shines bright for everyone without stopping, even when no one says thank you. Now imagine a cloud flying in the sky like a traveler. It goes here and there, collecting water drops like a hard-working little explorer.
The sun is bright, shining light. It makes the world feel so right. The cloud is moving soft and slow, working hard wherever it goes.
Then something magical happens. The cloud becomes heavy and starts to cry rain. But this rain is not sad. It gives life to plants, trees, and flowers.
Rain falls down, drip by drip, making green grass on every tip. Flowers wake up, birds sing loud. Nature smiles like a happy crowd.
So kids, even nature works hard in its own way. The sun gives light, the cloud brings rain, and everything helps the world grow. If you work hard like nature, you will also grow strong and successful.
Work like sunshine each day. Never stop, just find your way. Be like cloud, keep moving on. Hard work brings results before long.
And this is the secret nature teaches us.